everybody, it's your boy Red Key TV, man. I'm back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Man, I've been doing this YouTube thing for a long time. I've been in so many cars, even been in Jeeps, trucks, all that type of stuff on here. I build everything. I've done it again. We had a problem with the truck. Airbag blew. This is the second time an airbag is blown. And this time, airbag blew on the air suspension, back, driver's side. And basically what happened is when the airbag blew, I was sitting still. I was at McDonald's talking to my friend and it just exploded. So my truck started leaning like crazy. So after that, I took it up to the dealership. Whole big thing with the dealership, but needless to say, they're on national back order. There's only 2 in North America, and I am number 189. There was 188 people in front of me waiting on the same thing for warranty work. So they didn't even know when they was going to get them in. They said the earliest they may even get some into North America was May 6th. So basically, I had to let the truck go. So I no longer have a truck. Now, y'all know me. I am a Mopar guy, and I'm not even going to go crazy on trying to make y'all guess. You can in the comments below, but we're going to go ahead and get this thing going. Y'all know I had to do it.
Riding through the hood, blowing smoke in the wind. Raising on my glass, let's toast to the wind. I'm only getting started, I ain't close to the end. I came to make a point, I don't want no friends. So I tell them bitches.
All right, y'all. So as you can see, I got a last call Swinger Edition, a wide body Charger. I'm in love with it. I forgot so much about this car. Worked a good deal with the dealership. Took a really long time. Don't ever give up on what you feel your vehicle is worth. I got mine paid off, so I put a little bit of money down, but I had my vehicle paid off, and I got this one at a good price. So that's all I'm gonna say about the actual pricing of the vehicle, because yeah, these things are expensive. It's the last call. I kept telling my girl and my daughter, because she really wanted me to get a Charger again. She loved the Hellcat. And I mean, of course, I love the Hellcat. Didn't want to see it go. But I kept saying, if I ever go back into one, I'm going to get me a wide body. And I didn't necessarily need the Hellcat. Been cool. But there was a couple things that I was just like, do I need to go get a Hellcat? They steal Hellcats a lot more than they steal Scat Packs now. They will take a Scat Pack, but more people steal Hellcats and Red Eyes and all that type of stuff than Scat Packs getting stolen. It's possible. I mean, they do get stolen. I'm not oblivious to Scat Packs getting stolen, but it's way more Hellcats out there that are getting snatched than Scat Packs. So a couple things that I had seen, you know, had made me think, do I want the problem of a Hellcat? Going and buying a wide body Hellcat, having the bigger payment, you know, putting the money down on a wide body Hellcat or a Red Eye. Because I just wasn't going to go back to a slim body. If I did do a slim body, it would have been another Hellcat Charger. And I wouldn't have wide bodied it until I had the money to wide body it like Hellcat Enforcer. That was my whole premise. I won't do another kit. If I was going to wide body a slim body, it was going to be completely custom to me, and I was going to build it and only do it when I had all the money to build it from scratch. So that was my things about getting a Hellcat, because I definitely could have bought a slim body Hellcat, 2018, 2019 Hellcat, for what I paid for this Scat Pack. So I do know, but I wanted a wide body, and I wanted brand new. I didn't want anybody used. I'm the only person that's owned it. I'm actually the only person that drove it. It was on the showroom floor with basically no miles on it, other than what they had it tested for. And it went from the truck to the showroom floor to me test driving it and then me taking it. So it's the second car I've taken off the showroom floor. Actually, the third car I've taken off the showroom floor. I took my Hellcat off the showroom floor. I took my red Scat Pack off the showroom floor. And I took this one off the showroom floor. So that's the third vehicle that I've taken that was, on display. And I love it. I forgot how fast the Scat Pack is. I can only imagine, of course, I forgot how fast the Hellcat is. But I have been playing with this Scat Pack nonstop, driving it, having fun. I'm in the break-in period, or I just got out actually at 500 because I still have yet to put a full pedal to the floor. Just a couple little taps just to get them get out of there. But I've even actually already started modding. I've done a X-pipe that was gifted to me from a friend, and I did a mid-muffler delete. So she sounds beautiful. She sounded great stock, but she sounded great until another Scat Pack or somebody rolled up on me and then took off. And I was like, oh, hold on. So she sounded great stock. Now we got the mid-muffler delete and replace the stock X-pipe, which is a 2.5 to a 3-inch X-pipe. So she's breathing nicely. I actually got a cold start. I'll put that in right here so that you can hear it. The car was dirty before this video, so you'll see how dirty she was. And then I've done some tint on the car. This is factory tint. I tinted the taillights and debadged it. I of course got the mods coming. I have my top 3. I'm not going to go through like these are the mods you should do to a Charger. I've done that video before. I won't even be doing a lot of these videos, but I just wanted to get on YouTube and show y'all that your boy is back. So we will be getting the diffuser, wicker bill. I've already tinted the back tail light and debadged the Dodge. I haven't full tinted, just the little turn signal area. That's what we tinted. So working on little bitty mods. I did something else, which is crazy. So you'll see it. I changed my red keys. I changed my keys to red. So that is what unlocks my car. So I love the red key. Of course, do I get the 707 with it? No, but I got SRT red keys for this car. So both of my keys are red. So, man, I'm loving it. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. And do y'all think I should have bought a wide body Hellcat? Or y'all like, nah, the Scat Pack cool. What is it? All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Please help the algorithm. Like this video, man. Share it with everybody, because I'm out here again. I'm probably not gonna go crazy on the content. Like I said, I still got the kiddos and everything out of line. I'm not gonna be out at meets and all that type of stuff. Not always. I'll go every now and again, but y'all saw how I treated the Hellcat. I babied her. Got me an official wide body. That's one thing that I wanted. Like, I wanted the OEM because I just like the look of it. Like, my Hellcat was cool, but it was aftermarket. So sometimes I'd come outside and I didn't like the aftermarketness of the wide body that I had on there. But now that we got an official OEM wide body, I got some crazy plans for this car. It is a limited edition, so I'm going to try to not go crazy. Anything that I do, I want to be able to return it back to stock, because I want this car to be able to be around for a long time. And then when somebody says, hey man, y'all got one of them last calls in good condition, I want one. I want to be able to turn mine back to stock and they be able to have it for a good price. I made money on my Hellcat, so I know everybody's like, these cars are depreciating value. Man, these last calls, I think that they're gonna hold their value, because I know my Hellcat, I made money when I bought my Hellcat in 2020 and sold it in 2021. I made a good bit of money. So these Scat Packs are worth it. Hopefully in about 4 or 5 years, people really want it. I got the car paid off, and I'd be like, hey, I can give it to you for that. That's about what I paid for it, and I done had 4 years of fun, so let's see what it is. But That's what I believe I'll be able to do, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. But let me know what mods you think I should go ahead and do in the comments. I'll try to start back getting on the comments with everybody, reading through, replying. Who knows? I might do some lights. Y'all know I love lights. I done had lights on everything, so I'm not might gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It's just a matter of when. When will I put the money aside to go ahead and do different lights on here, what I want, and will I get into the engine on this one? Probably not. Not more than the simple mods, but we'll see. You never know. If my channel blow up and go crazy, I'll go crazy. But y'all gotta subscribe. Man, until next time, I'm out.